This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by reaching the router interface. Connect by Ethernet or existing Wi-Fi because a stable link avoids timeouts. Open a browser and type the router IP, try 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1 if unsure. When prompted, sign in with the admin username and password. If you don't know them, you'll need the reset PIN later. Once logged in, navigate directly to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This first step opens the control panel. Now find the SSID fields under Wireless, Basic Settings, or SSID Settings. The layout varies by brand. You'll usually see separate entries for 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Rename each if both are active so devices can choose the right band. Make small, descriptive names to avoid confusion. Keep the security mode and passphrase intact unless you plan to change them. Altering encryption without care can disconnect devices. After editing, choose Apply or Save so changes stage in the router. Finish by saving or applying your changes. Some routers will reboot, so be patient and don't interrupt power. Once the router is back, scan available networks and reconnect devices to the new SSID using the same password or an updated passphrase if you changed it. Make sure smart devices and printers are rejoined. If you cannot log back in or lose access, perform a hardware factory reset with the router's pinhole. Then reconfigure admin credentials and Wi-Fi settings. That resolves most lockout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.